In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla not starting. So let's get started. So first, let's start with the basics. Teslas rely on your key card, key fob, or phone to start the car. If your car isn't responding, try using a different method. If you're using your phone as a key, make sure Bluetooth is on and the Tesla app is running. If that doesn't work, use your key card by tapping it against the center console. If your keycard isn't working either, try holding it in place for a few extra seconds. If the issue persists, you may need to reset your key in the Tesla app. Tesla runs on a large lithium battery, but they also have a 12-volt battery that powers essential electronics. If this battery is dead, your car might not start at all. Signs of a 12-volt battery issues include a dark touchscreen, no interior lights, or an unresponsive car. If you suspect this is the problem, you might need a jump start or a battery replacement. If your Tesla turns on but won't shift into drive, it could be a software glitch. A simple reboot can fix a lot of issues. Just press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen turns off. Wait about a minute for the system to restart, then try restarting the car again. Sometimes a pending software update or an error message can prevent your Tesla from starting. Tap on Software in the Setting menu and check if an update is available. If you see an error code, take a picture of it and check Tesla's support log for its troubleshooting tips. If your car powers on but won't shift into drive, make sure you're pressing the brake pedal firmly while trying to put it in gear. If the brake pedal feels stiff or unresponsive, the car might not be recognizing it properly. In some cases, low battery levels can cause startup issues. So if your battery is extremely low, try plugging in your charger for a few minutes before attempting to start the car again. If your Tesla powers on but refuses to move, try shifting into neutral first and then back into drive. Sometimes a small software hiccup can prevent the car from recognizing the shift command, and the quick trick can help reset it. If you have tried everything and your Tesla still won't restart, it might be time to contact Tesla support. You can request roadside assistance or schedule a service appointment through the Tesla app. Tesla can often run remote diagnostics to pinpoint the issue before you even visit a service center. So, that'll be it for this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.